Hey, it's a whole family of
Raccoon on the
raccoons
veranda, or whatever they
coming
call
down
it.
over the veranda,
Little roof that overhangs the door.
over my back door of my
He
house.
just, oh, there's two of them up there now.
Some more strange noises I heard at night. I heard snorting and had to look around with my flashlight, and I found them. And with my camera, it's
There's
just
a third one coming over the rooftop.
raccoons.
They come up the trees.
They go over the roof. They're trying to find a way to the ground to take the cat's food, basically.
I had to stand out here and make sure the kittens
I've had
got to
some
eat
kittens
first.
down
I
below
feed
and
the
stood by
raccoons
to
over
make sure
there.
that they got something to eat, and then after they got done, the raccoons are coming to try to take their food. So this bunch of raccoons are trying to figure out how to get down, though. Aren't they cute?